This is an old tool chest that I recently acquired from a friend of mine who is downsizing his shop. Belonged to his grandfather, so it was in his family. Full of old tools. So this is a little teaser of some videos I'll be doing later this summer, but more in depth. It's a wooden tool chest, probably dates from the late 19th, early 20th century. The tools probably are from that period, although there's obviously some in here that have been added since. There is a lock, which no one has a key for, a well on top with tools, and then 3 drawers. And drawers are kind of locked in place, but like most machinist chests, there's something up top that opens them up. Things like this thing. Several of these. Lots of these. And even something like this. Old magnifying glass. Those are just a sampling of the many tools that are in here. I have recently finished inventorying most of them. I haven't inventoried all of the tap set that has come in this thing, but I would say well over 200 tools are located in this thing if you include every single file, drill bit, and tap piece. But a remarkable collection, really exciting to get into it, as well as some other series that will be coming out this summer. One on nifty tools, some of the antique tools that I have, not this tool box, but I have some other nifty antique tools around the shop, as well as another series on will this work for my project, where I'll look at some more modern tools that we use for some of the projects, but not only in woodworking, but around the house and around the yard. So look for some of those videos coming this summer. And while you're waiting for some of those videos to come, if anyone can tell me what this thing is, please let me know in the comments. This is an odd tool that came from the well of the tool chest. It's got a couple gears on the top, and then it's got these hooks, sort of, oops, there we go, kind of hooks. Some of you probably know exactly what this is and don't even need to see all the description, but others may need that. There's a handle, and so this is just an odd tool, and I'm kind of curious what it is. So if you know what it is, let me know. Stay tuned.